And now I'm going to pronounce the time in French. So, what time is it? Quelle heure est-elle? It is or il est. Hour is heure. Minute is minute. Noon is midi. Midnight, minuit. 15 minutes past or and a quarter is ika. And a half or 30 minutes past, ideme. Quarter to or 45 minutes past, moloka. In the morning, jumatang. In the afternoon, de l'après-midi. In the evening, le soir. For example, that it what time is it? It is 1 p.m. in afternoon. So in French, elle est 13 de l'après-midi. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.